What is an octave? An octave is the interval between one musical pitch and another with half or double its frequency. To put simply, if we play any note on the piano, then either go up or down to the very next note of the same, the distance between them is known as an octave. So the distance between C and C is an octave. The distance between A and A is also an octave. The distance between E and E is an octave. If we start on the note C, then go up to the next C, we're then playing the note C an octave above than where we started. If we start on the note C, then go down to the next C, we are then playing the note C an octave below than where we started. If we start on the note C, or any other note for that matter, then go up 2 Cs, 1, 2, we are in fact playing the note C 2 octaves higher than where we started. 1, 2. If we start on the note C, then go down 2 Cs, 1, 2, we are playing the note C 2 octaves lower than where we started. 1, 2. How many octaves does your piano or keyboard have? A full-size 88-note piano has just over 7 octaves. Start from the bottom note on your keyboard and go up counting the octaves. The piano I am using has just over 7. So I'll start at the very end note to the left, which is A. Then I'll go up in octaves to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my piano has 7 octaves and 3 extra notes. How many octaves does yours have?